am now on step 4. Twist and pull to remove the lancet protector. Twist and pull to remove. Okay. It's here. Then, screw the lancing device again. How do I screw this? Put it back. How do I screw it back? Screw the lancing device.
Review the instruction. Step 1, wash your hands. Okay. Unscrew.
Ayun.
Yun, nag-snap. Can you twist it? I think you should twist.
It's in.
You twist it going to the left. Oh.
Okay.
Once you put it there. Great.
And then it's set to 3. And then I can set it down to 4. Or if I want it deeper. 3 is okay, I think. Average, for average.
3 to 4 average.
So I
Okay.
leave it on 3. Okay. And then
You're done at number 6. Pull the back.
pull the spring back to the arm. I already pulled it. Kasi ito yatang panggaganan. Or it panggaganan.
Take a strip out of the
I already
strips
pulled the
vial.
spring back to the arm. Or lid. Ganun. Yan.
How many needles are there? 50 pieces, right?
Put this here. We'll insert the test into this meter until it stops. Oh, until it stops.
Okay.
And then there's blood. I need to complete this, yeah. To do the blood, should be like this. And then, oh my god. Here goes nothing.
Did you pull? That's okay. That's okay. Press it, and then put it there.
$110. Ay, ang sugar ko. Ay, let's see. 110. 110 is normal.